Baka mas matanda pa kami sa'yo, bro Bong. Ano guys, lalagay ko na yung yung eggs. And then, it's ready to eat. You see? My tasty, delicious, and nutritious macaroni soup. Ayan. Ready to eat now, guys. So, it's time for shout out. Ako yata pinakamatanda, sabi ni Sis Lori. Kailan yun, Sis Lori? Yung nasunog mga bahay sa Hollywood. Sis Leia, mega love shout out. Oo, Sis Lo, ano siya, tasty. Kahit hindi pa siya nalalagyan ng Tignan mo, wala siyang magic sarap. Ano lang siya, salt. So, ayan siya. So, ready to eat na guys ang aking, ang tawag dito, ang aking sopas. Ready to eat my sopas guys. Sis Leia, mega love shoutout sa lahat from Sis Hyle G. Sarap. I remember Bro Del when you write sarap, Ruby. Bro Del is learning from Sis Ems. So I need to put off the fire now, guys. It's cooked. Let me try the turnip. I think it's already cooked. Yung turnip ng ko, Sis Leia, malalaki kasi yung mga anak ko, ayaw nila yung flavor ng turnip. Ano siya, guys? It's tasty. Hi, LG from Ruby Gems. Sis Leia, pa-support si Ruby Gems. Nag-ano na siya sa'yo? Friend natin from UK. So, guys, I'm finished. So, mag-shoutout na tayo, guys. My God, ang init na. Mainit na dito. So, thank you so much, guys, for supporting my live stream this night. Good evening, everyone from Spain. Sis Lori from Germany. Sis Leia from the USA. Ruby Gems blog from the UK. Brother Bongot blog from USA. Who's more we have here? Ripa's Corner. Mami Jenna, thank you so much for dropping by and for your support. Yung mga naka-BG dyan guys ha, maraming salamat sa Mosang Society, Sis Katja na naka-BG, Ading Charles na naka-BG din dyan, salamat. Ripa's Corner, Natalia Timoshenko. To Sis Feli from Lebanon, Feli's Life in Lebanon, thank you so much, Kabsat. Who's more we have here? Jose Luis and Sebastiana Aparecida, thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias, amigos. Ayan. So, magpapaalam na tayo, guys, ha? Kasi luto ng aking mga, mga niluto. Salamat sa nag-stay sa akin, guys, ha? Sa mga, mula ng pag-start ko na nag-cut ng vegetables. Maraming salamat. Ayan, yung aking, luto na rin. Aking sweet potato. Ayan, ay, nako. Yung sweet potato natin, guys, luto na. And then, our soup. Ayan, try nating maglagay ng para makita nyo guys kung paano yung output ng ating soup. A moment. Para makita nyo guys, gamitin ko rin yung the same ang ng itlog. So you see, yan siya guys, with eggs. O, diba? Ayan. Lutong-luto na po. Ready to. Dinner is ready, guys. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for your support. This is our macaroni soup. Goodbye, guys. Thank you so much. Ayan.